Spend less, look expensive. Hey, welcome to DIY Hairstyle by RJ. Newcomers, you're highly welcome. Hairstyle lovers, welcome here. Here we do hairstyle that you spend less and look expensive. Yes, let's dive in. For today hairstyle, I am using Brazilian wool. You got to forgive me, guys. I forgot to turn on my light, and the filming turned a bit dark, but at least you still can see something, right? So, for today hairstyle, I am using Brazilian wool. For the whole thing, I actually use 1.5. So I cut it into the size I want, and that's also referring to you as well. Choose the size you want, and then you cut. And after cutting it, I went in with my rollers and I roll everything as you see in the video. So for this one, now the rollers I have is very small, so I had to go twice. Of course, the second one I haven't done it on camera, but the first one you could see. So that's how it looks after the rolling, and I had to do the whole rolls. Yes. Yes, after finishing rolling my Brazilian wool, and I still have some of it remain behind. But anyways, I went in with hot water inside the bucket. Is it bucket? No, it's a basin. Yes, in the basin I had my warm water on the fire already, and then that's it as you see in the video, guys. And I had to make sure that each part of it should be dipped in hot water. Trust me, it need hot water. So after that, I went in, grabbed my rollers. I brought it outside. As you can see, I have some flowers behind there. Yes, it's quite pretty. It's a garden. It's outside. So I dried my my extension outside in the sunshine, and it took me like 2 days to dry that. And you have to make sure actually this process does not need to be rushed. You need to take your time and make sure it dries properly. Yes, so the most important part is to dry properly. If it hasn't dried well, trust me, you will lose the curl in no time. So for this hair, as you see, I am untying the hair, and look at that curl. Yes, it's pretty. And that's the whole thing. Not the whole thing, but for the first round. Yes. So I got those curls and I had to go in and separate them one by one. At this moment, I am separating the curls. I already made another rolls. I twisted another hair, and outside they are drying at this moment, and I am continuing with process. So after untying, is it? Yes, separating the hair, and like you see there, one by one, I got those curls. You can see it, right? Yes, after getting my curls, I had to go in and get my hair cap. But for this purpose of for this video, actually, it's not going to be long for the purpose of video. Just I use this hair cap. But if you're going to wear it for a long time, you need something stronger. So with that, I started inserting my crochet, my extension. You get it right? Yes, I started making my crochet. So as you can see in the video, I don't know how to explain it better, but I would advise you to look carefully on the video and to see how I did that. Yes, we are going step by step for you to learn how I did this hairstyle. Just look at that. Hook it in the hook, pull it out, right? And remove the hook, get the hair through it, and pull it out just like that. As it continue, keep watching closely to see how I did this. And here I am very careful because the hair cap is very, it's not strong enough. That's what I can say. The hair cap is not strong enough, so I have to be gentle and careful not to tear it. Yes. So it took me sometimes to do this hairstyle. Actually, if you are going for it, you really need to take your time because you don't need to rush it. It's not something that you can do it tomorrow and you wear it today. It's not possible. You need to take your time so you can have a perfect one. So for this particular one, it took me like, I don't know how many days. It took me like 4 days to dry the hair. Remember, I had to go section by section. The first one, the first group, I dried them in for 1 day, and then again after 1 day I had to do the other one and continue. So fitting in the hair on the cap, it took me another good day. So yeah, after finishing the whole thing, that is the final look you see there, and my wig is done. Look at that. The curl, everything. And if you're planning to wear it without the scarf, I advise to make sure to fill in your wig very well. But if you're wearing with a scarf, I think you have nothing to worry about. But the volume that it's giving, it's everything, guys. It's everything. Look at that. Everything is just like falling and everything is just covered. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Yes. So with that, practically, my ladies, we are done with the hairstyle, and yes, it's for you to judge the final look. And I hope you love the hairstyle, and if you do, please give me the honor to subscribe to my channel and drop down the comment section what you feel about the hairstyle. Till then, bye.